Local and state governments continue coming around to the fact that when dealing with someone in a mental health crisis, police officers don't have all the answers.
Which is why many cities are adding social workers to their department rosters in the hopes that in an encounter with police, they can get someone the help they need instead of ending up in jail. Katie Delaney tells us about such a program in Ellsworth.
We've had a need for mental health assistance for a couple of years now.
Ellsworth Police seeing an increase in mental health related calls. Just last year, the department received more than 500 of those calls.
It's a huge load on our officers.
Ashley Pesic, who works at Aroostook Mental Health Center, helps people in the community having mental health crises. She's seeing the same trend.
It's harder and harder to find therapists. It's harder and harder and longer wait lists to get into psychiatry. And so the need for that additional support has become really significant.
That's why AMHC and Ellsworth Police are teaming up to better address those needs. Through this collaboration, if you call 911 for a mental health concern, in addition to an officer responding,
you'll now get a trained mental health professional with expertise and experience in working through mental health issues.
That professional is Olivia Brown. She started working with Ellsworth Police this week and is getting ready to go out into the field.
Some good changes coming.
Brown will respond to calls with officers, and once the scene is safe, she'll do comprehensive screenings and evaluations and connect people with the resources they need.
Typically, we see people at really low points in their lives. They have a lot of stress going on, and to be able to support them and connecting them with things to help them feel better and meet their needs is a really good thing that we can do.
The partnership allowing AMHC to meet with more people in Ellsworth and be more efficient.
We live and work in this community, so these are our community members as well. So we're just excited to be able to offer them a more robust access to service.
The Ellsworth Police and AMHC are planning to add a second social worker to the team this spring to be able to respond to more calls. In Ellsworth, Katie Delaney, News 10 Maine.
Brown, the first social worker at the Ellsworth Police Department, has been training with officers and will begin going out on calls very soon.